Just heard a train. I don't know if you can still hear the horn. I can hear it. You hear that sound? That little like humming sound? That's the engine. Sounds like a Jeep. I heard it all the way from my living room with my headphones on. Just heard this humming. Came close to the door right there. Then I heard it even more. Scanner's going off. Me and my grandpa, I'm trying to get ScaleTrains to start making FEC engines for people to have, because I know there's some people that don't live in Florida and they like don't even know that Florida East Coast is a railroad. I know there's some people, or a lot, out there. So I've been trying to get, I called ScaleTrains earlier. The lady didn't even sound like she worked for ScaleTrains. I was asking her if ScaleTrains could start making them. But it seemed like she didn't understand what I was saying. I was asking her, do you think ScaleTrains could make them? And she kept asking me for, I was asking her if they had them. She was asking me like for the number, the item number, and I was like, what? Item number? I don't know the item number. Then she told me to go to trainworld.com, and I searched up FEC Railroad. FEC Florida East Coast, and the only thing I saw was an Intermountain one, and it was those old ones, the GP, the EMD engines. So, just want to tell you that there's a train going by. I want to see if you can hear it, just like the older video I did. I can still hear it, unless that's just something else. But it's not getting louder, it's getting quieter, so that might be it. Sounds like a southbound train I gotta see what time from Titusville, where I am, to Miami or somewhere down there. I'm gonna look up how much time that is. It's currently 12 o'clock. Well, I just wanted to let you listen to the train, if you probably heard it. Alright, that is it for this weird video. Goodbye.